How much better is it when you turn downwind, eh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're off. We're sailing, goodbye Puerto Rico. Right now out here in Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, and that you've got like this channel of about 3, 4, 5, 6,000 meters of water, and we're currently in 15. So this calm swell that's out there is just built up here.
It's taken a little bit longer to get into the swing of this passage. I don't know if it was just the swell because it was super rolly. It's finally started to calm down a bit, and the swell's kind of evened itself out, matched up a little bit, lined up a little bit nicer, which is good. But it's been super stinking hot today.
Right,
but
ready?
we're about to have smoothies.
Made you a beautiful feast. You got a pineapple banana smoothie made with love.
Tired there.
Oh, I'm so tired. Now we're all like out of that rough patch. It's nice just to settle in and get back.
I'm hungry. So what did you prepare for lunch and dinner on this passage to the Bahamas, Sexy Legs?
I prepared us a lovely feast.
Yeah. Talk us through the dinner options for tonight on Sailor v Sunday.
You have chicken Caesar salad wraps with homemade Caesar dressing and croutons, nachos with homemade bean chili,
Yep.
or you could have those in burritos,
Yep. I like it, 2 in 1, nice.
or you could cook yourself up a pasta and throw some chicken in there as well.
Hold on, what was that first part about the pasta?
You have to cook it. But you don't believe in cooking for yourself.
No, I'm just like, I mean, like, you know, I can. I'll cook the what do you call it, the nachos.
You don't even have to cook them, you just have to heat them up.
Hey, it's cooking in my books.
You're an idiot.
Can I have some nachos?
No, I'm not going downstairs. That's the whole reason I meal prepped.
Oh, it's like, it's not that, well, I guess it is a bit rough, isn't it? The waves are probably about 2 meters high.
Once in a while we get hit by a rogue.
Good morning, guys. So technically we're on day 2, but we're only about 21 hours in. We're almost about to hit about 110 nautical miles, so we're averaging, what's that, Brittany? That's about 5 knots. So it's hard because like throughout the night we had some light winds, but it was really, really choppy and crap. So we got about 3.5 to 4.5 knots. But then yesterday when we left, we got about 7 knots. So we definitely slowed down overnight. We had a squall that we had to dodge, and overnight that was pretty easy. We just adjusted course, got a few raindrops. Whoa! So it's been like this. It's been just an uncomfortable, slow ride since we left. I mean, we powered out of the harbour, that was good. But it's just been real short, choppy waves, and just can't really do anything. It's kind of sucks. So we got about 1.7 meter waves, and they're about 4 seconds apart, 5 seconds apart, and they're just on our back quarter. So it's probably the most uncomfortable sailing you can have in this boat, just the short waves in your back quarter. So we're just rocking back and forth. So we're just waiting to I guess continue on and hopefully it gets more calmer and things will get a bit more exciting. But until then, we're just all laying here. Jackson, hey buddy, Jackson, you alright, buddy? Yeah. Jackson's got his bed down there. Brittany's laying there. And yeah, I just woke up. I did the night shift last night. Did about 2:30 a.m. or 2 a.m. to about 5 or 6 a.m. I'm wrecked. I'm so tired. So we've got another 2 more days of this. I'm hoping that this swell clears up once we get up towards the Dominican Republic. So we're just about to hit the coast now. Brittany's playing this game called Fish Ninja or something. You gotta like turn the phone to hook a fish and you gotta chop them up, and I was laughing at it. We're both just sitting here in this like real crappy rocking swell, and I look at Brittany, she's like full concentration mode trying to catch fish with her phone, where you gotta like tilt the phone to hook them, and we're on a moving boat just like swaying side to side, and she's concentrating and trying so hard. Alright, how do I play your fishing game?
So what you have to do is your guy's at the top fishing and your line drops down to the ground. Once you catch one, it starts coming up, so you have to try and catch them all on the way up. And once you've caught them, then he starts throwing them in the air and you have to karate chop them.
Okay. So, do I tap it to start?
Yeah.
Oh no. How far down do you get?
Watch out, there's bombs as well. You can't hit the bombs.
Oh yeah, you tell me that now. What's your score that you get?
I think like 25.
Oh no, I got the first fish.
It's hard on a moving boat because it thinks your phone's tilting a different way. These are the days of our lives.
Oh no, hit a bomb. That sucks.
Okay, my turn.
I must say, the wrap itself was incredible, like the Caesar salad and everything, but whoever cooked the chicken made it a bit chewy.
I'm having chicken Caesar salad that Ryan made. Ryan's having chicken Caesar salad wrap.
Yeah.
Jackson's getting scraps.
Hey mate, you got your biscuits. Feels like we're about to go into like stormy weather. There we go. Hey buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing up there, mate? Dolphin!
Ryan.
There's no dolphin. This is the life, hey? Jackson ass in my face, laying on the top of the podium. Hey buddy, why'd you lay this way? You got your butt right in my face, mate.
We've had lightning. Oh, it's coming back. We had lightning behind us and to the side of us, and it's been going off like crazy for the past like hour. But it seems to have calmed down a tiny bit, but it's about 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm on watch while Ryan's sleeping. We haven't had a weather update for 3.5 days, so all of our weather now is not really that accurate. Sun will be coming up in 2.5 hours, and then all will feel right again. Until then, I'm watching the thunderstorms around us. On our radar, there's nothing within a 24 nautical mile radius of us, not a single cloud or storm cell, so hopefully it stays that way. It's always hard to gauge the distance, though. They always look probably a lot closer than they actually are. But it's still scary. I hate this. Thunderstorms are my absolute kryptonite when it comes to sailing.
Alright guys, so it's Wednesday now, and we're about 3 hours behind schedule, which isn't actually a big deal. But just to pick up some extra speed, we're wing on wing now. We've got the main out, and we pulled out the head sail. Swell has completely died down, so that's good. So we still have probably about 1.5 meter of swell, but it's like a lot flatter now, and a bit more spaced out. The last couple of days it's been like really steep and short, so not big but just steep and short. A few times like we've had one slap up against the bottom of the dinghy while the other swell's at the front of the boat. So we kind of like had 2 peaks at each end of the boat. So that's how steep it was. So it was really shit and really uncomfortable. But anyway, I feel a bit safer now going wing on wing, because when you rock, when you rock and roll like that, you just don't want to do an accidental jibe if the boat's rocking and rolling. So that's why we didn't go wing on wing earlier, because it only picks us up an extra knot, but that extra knot shaves off like an hour every 5 hours. So we'll see how we got this for a little while. Hopefully we can pick up a bit more speed, which we already have. We've gone from 5 knots to 6.5 knots now. And from me checking the weather a few days ago, we should have a pretty steady day today of constant winds around about 13 knots, 14 knots from behind, which is like, you know, you don't really want much less than that when you're going dead downwind. And then by tomorrow morning, I think it completely dies off, which is a bit of a bummer. So I have to motor the rest of the way. But we'll see, something could have changed the last few days, so I'm pretty confident today's gonna be good. Tomorrow, I mean, that's 4 days from when I last checked the weather, so things could change slightly. Yeah, she had a good day today. Brittany's back in her usual spot.
I let you sleep all night.
Yeah, no, it was good. Brittany, I was wrecked yesterday, and Brittany let me sleep most of the night, so I guess she's gonna be resting a lot today. So I feel a lot better. I showered and everything. Feel good. Jackson's been hanging out. He's been going to talk in the bow, chasing dolphins. Oh, can't say that word too loud or he goes running. Alright, if you like the videos, please subscribe. Fell off the couch. Like and subscribe.